Good merry morning to you all. I hope you're all okay, being safe, not going outside, staying home, you know, being DIY queens at home. This is just not a cute angle, but my room is in the process of renovation at the moment. That's a separate video coming your way soon, so I'm not going to give anything away. How are we all holding up? How are we doing? I hope you're all staying inside and being safe. Me and Jack have had our little daily call thing this morning. Had a little chat for like 2 hours or something. He was meant to call me last night, but then I fell asleep, so he stayed awake all night so that he could make sure he phoned me first thing, because he didn't get to phone me last night. Oh, I want to marry him so bad. I do really miss him, but I'm surprised at how not psycho I'm being. Like, I'm not crying, I'm not freaking out. Yeah, it was a week today that I left his, so I mean, it's only been a week, so after a couple months I might be insane. Today's just gonna be a really real day in the life of a gal who's stuck in isolation, but also might just make up what I eat in a day, because I watched Katie's the other day and it was really good, and we basically just copy each other all the time. My voice is croaky because it's the morning. Don't come for me. Let's just get on with the day, you know. I'm gonna do a little what I eat in the day, I think. Just basically copy Katie, because I'm a copycat. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, there we go. I made myself a bit more ready for the day. I'm still in joggers, but let's open the curtains. Still like joggers and comfies and like home clothes, but I've just kind of changed out my pajamas, put my eyebrows on, tied my hair back, just put an outfit on that's quite cute, but it's still joggers. I'll show you. I think it's cute. I've just got like leftover curls from yesterday, Jack's chain, just a little cardigan, a little top, no bra because why would I wear a bra if I don't have to, and then just some little trackies. And then some fluffy socks, but you know, these trackies are actually insane. They're like Primark men's, they're like extra large or something, but they're amazing. To start the day, I'm going to make an iced coffee, and then I'm going to make my breakfast. That's really good. That's really good. Okay, for breakfast, I'm going to have tomatoes and hummus on toast. Normally I'd use like baby vine tomatoes, but I'm just got to use daddy ones because, you know, we're in quarantine. Yeah, be grateful for what you've got. And I'm just gonna like chop them quite small so you can like sprinkle them on. It's easier if they're cherry tomatoes because then you don't need to cut them. Just pop them on. But I'm just gonna like dice them really. Oh, these are nice and hard. They're easier to cut when they're hard. There we go. Pop that in there. There we go. Literally just a thing of tomatoes. And I'm going to use this little fry light because, you know, we're being healthy. We're stuck inside. We can't go to the gym. Just to, like, loosen it up. Literally 3 squirts. What's that? 3 calories. Boom. And then a bit of salt and pepper. And then some chili flakes. And then bosh it in the oven for, like, 10 minutes. That's how long I normally do. Or just till they're, like, a bit shriveled. And then it's bloody delicious. Then there we go. Boom. There we go, my toast is done. I've done 3 slices just because they're quite small. And I want to be filled up. I don't want to keep snacking, you know what I mean? I've been having porridge or pancakes or something, but they're not the most healthy. Well, porridge is healthy. My new favourite porridge is mashing a banana into your porridge. It's insane. It's so nice. It's really banana-y. It's just absolutely delicious. My dad went a bit crazy with the hummus. That's like the biggest pot of hummus I've ever seen. Let's go in with the hum. You don't need that much, just a little layer, a thin spreading. Literally like just a little spread. I'm gonna watch a bit of Jessie. I'm literally loving Disney Plus at the moment. Oh my god. There's literally Jessie, Good Luck Charlie, Sweet Life. I'm literally obsessed. I'm gonna put a bit of paprika on there, just because I'm really obsessed with paprika at the moment, you know? Here we go. It's not the most beautiful. You know, if we had some sourdough and vine tomatoes, it'd be a lot more pretty. But it's very tasty and it is filling. I'm gonna grab this, grab my coffee and go and watch Jessie. Hey gang, it's cute and nice out here. You can hear the pigs squeaking. I've got my little mat because I'm a yoga queen. I'm just gonna do a little workout. My favourite person to watch is Mads Fit or Mad Fit or something. She literally does it to a song. So like, I don't know what this song is, something, but it's a little booty leg workout. So, and I think it's like 3 minutes of just like constant boom. And then if you do one every day, boom. You just do it to a song. And then obviously you can take a rest, like you can like pause it and have a rest. Which I'll do if I need to, and then I'm sure I'll be hungry after that and I'm gonna make some soup, I think. Some leek and potato soup, because we've had leeks in the fridge for ages and I don't want to waste stuff, do you know what I mean? So it's quite cold out here. I've got a jumper on, but I might have to untuck it because it's actually quite cold. I'm worried my dad's gonna be watching me out the window. Lol. Okay, let's do this. Literally 3 minutes and then we'll be done. Hey guys, it's 1:45. I finished my workout in the garden. It was really nice. Had a little shower. I put my pajamas back on. Had a body shower, a little bower. And I'm for my lunch making a bit of soup. I found this really nice vegan soup recipe on Pinterest, and I'll leave it in the description so y'all can make it. So I'm just stir frying my veggies. There we are. Can't really see. Literally all it is leeks, potatoes, a bit of garlic, oat milk and some herbs. That's literally it, and it's going to be delish. And I think it takes like half an hour or something, and this, I've halved the recipe, so it was for 6, but I'm just not going to eat 6 portions of it. So me and Moom are going to have it today, and then there'll be one left for my lunch tomorrow. So that is what I'm having, and I will catch up with you once it's all ready. There we go. Oh my gosh, the soup's done and it looks so good. And I've got a little bagel to go with it. And we're gonna munch it. And Moon's got a bowl as well, so boom. Missy. Don't come for us for having Missy on the table. There we go. If the kettle wants to finish boiling, I'll actually be able to speak. Me and Alf have just been doing jobs in the garden. Come in, washed our hands, obviously, you know, being safe and all that. And I'm going to have a cup of tea. I'm going to have this T2 tummy tea, which is delish, which isn't actually tea, it's like tisane, but I don't know what that means, so we'll not get into that. In my little cup. I like it in a small cup because then it's got more taste. Does that even make sense? I literally leave it for like 20 minutes to brew because I like this, I like a really strong taste. Normally if I want it right away, I'll do like 3/4 boiling water and then like a little bit of cold, because we all know I hate hot drinks that are really hot. I can't drink them like that. So I'm gonna leave that for like 10-15 minutes to cool down, and then I'll drink it because I'm a weirdo. Might have some cake. Gonna have a wee, which you didn't need to know, and have some cake. I made this pear and ginger cake because we had some pears that were going funky. It's literally like the moistest thing because it's got so many pears in it. It was a really wet mixture. My family have eaten it with custard over the past couple of days, but I can't eat custard, so I'm just gonna have it on its own with my cuppa. So that is my snack for this afternoon. What's the time? 4:45, and then at like 7ish, 6:30. I'm gonna go 6:30. I'm gonna start cooking tea. I'm still cooking. I always get really hungry when I'm cooking, so I've moved on to apples now. Sorry if you can hear Jessie. Good evening, we've just finished dinner. We had vegan spaghetti bolognese with meat-free mince and lots of veggies and obviously spaghettis, and it was delish. And then we rang our grandparents in Spain because they're like stuck there. So we checked in on them. I'm really sorry if you can hear my family arguing about popcorn. But yes, that's what I had for dinner. We had vegan spaghetti bolognese and it was delish. Needed a bit more tomatoes though, maybe 2 cans instead of 1. I'll put the recipe in the description. Could I look any worse? Probably not. My hair is actually ridiculous. Why am I so red? Let me tie my hair up. So you saw dinner. We didn't really have any pudding. We watched Zootropolis. Anyone else seen that? Zootropolis was actually really cute. I liked it a lot. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to bed with my water and half pack of Oreos. But then I said goodbye to my mum, and now I've only got 1 Oreo left. Moon. So I was gonna eat my half pack of Oreos and drink my water, but now I'll just be drinking my water. And there we go, that is what I ate in a day. I was gonna say this was meant to be trying to be healthy one, but spaghetti bolognese isn't that healthy. Loads of Oreos. Well, I actually have only eaten like 3 Oreos and a piece of cake, but the rest of it, I just poked myself in the neck. The rest of it was quite healthy, to be fair. What did I have for breakfast? Toast and hummus and tomatoes. Lunch was healthy, leek and potato, fruit and carbs, but I did do some exercise today, so at least I burnt the carbs, maybe. But yeah, sorry that this has been a bit of a... We started strong and then we kind of flaked out towards the end, but it's alright. There we go. That is what I have eaten in a day of quarantine. Trying to be healthy, still vegan, things like that. I'll leave the recipes that I use in the description. Oh, I keep scratching my face. I'm actually a mess. I'm really tired. I need to go to sleep. Please do subscribe, give this video a like, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.